Hello, high-class witches, and welcome to the spooky town of Greendale. So I started by buffing my skin with my favorite foundation from Juvias all over my face. This foundation is a velvet matte, and I like how soft it makes your face look. Sorry for the lighting, forgot to add my ring light to this part of the tutorial. Fail. I was so inspired to do this Chilling Adventures of Sabrina look. I would say this is a very easy Halloween look to pull off. All you need is a short blonde wig, and Sabrina's makeup, for the most part, is pretty natural in the show. As for fashion choices, think dark core, reds, plums, blacks, browns, white, and creams. I decided to put the wig on because I'm new to this wig world, and putting it on is not as easy as it seems. I kept the eyes very minimal and took a sparkly white champagne shade and placed this on the inner corner of my eyes. Then I took a warm tone brown shade and using a fluffy brush, placed this as our transition shade. Last, using my pinky finger, I added the silvery shimmer brown to the outer V of my eye to add a bit of a smoky look, keeping everything really soft. For my cheeks, I could have gone for a nude or orangey tone. I decided to use Cherry Splash, that is a classic true red from Emcosmetics. I love how seamless this makes your cheeks look. Michelle's line is honestly truly glowing makeup from within because it's a combination of makeup and skincare, and I absolutely love how much glow it just gives your skin. I truly recommend it for anybody looking for that very natural flush. So some of my favorite characters from the show, aside from Sabrina, is her cousin Ambrose. He is honestly too adorable, and I really love Prudence. Oh my god, she is so beautiful and gorgeous and all the things. And I found out she was an Aquarius. Makes me feel so awesome. I could have done something to my brows to lighten them, but honestly, I was too lazy, but feel free to do that if you wish. Add your favorite mascara. I finally switched to a new mascara and used the Pick Me Up Volume Mascara produced by Michelle Phan, the Emcosmetics team, and I love how lightweight this is. I'll give you more details later about this product in another video. For Sabrina's lips, you can go with a nude red or plum. I say nude or red for her more mortal classic side, but when she signs the Book of the Beast, she has a totally darker, edgy vibe, so I really like the plum dark looks for her, so I think these colors are within her scheme. I chose to go with red as I felt it was very much Sabrina's trademark. I love this classic red from Fenty Beauty, and as you see, I messed up a bit and just took my concealer to clean up any stains that happen from darker lip colors. Ugh, this always happens to me. It's so annoying. Hopefully one day I'll get better at it. Lastly, I added this black headband because Sabrina wears these a lot on the show, and if you look at the comic books, she's always mostly wearing a black headband. This is the first Halloween look I did for the year. Can't wait to show you the rest of the looks. I'll see you llamas on the next video. Bye!